Yan, tikman na natin guys itong soup ni Suporima, no? Masarap ito. How's it?
Yummy.
Oh, yummy daw yung soup namin, no? Wow.
Okay, I'll switch my bowl with yours.
Yan guys, tikman na natin itong soup natin, no? Kung panalo din. Wow! Nagimasan. Hapa?
So what did you use in this one?
The best. Sarap.
What did you use for this one?
Mayroon kasi siyang kwan eh. Mushroom string,
The
bamboo shoot,
buttermilk
saka tofu.
pancake.
Nagimas St. George.
You want to be closer pa na?
Guys, umulit ako. Nagimas gayam. Ha? Pangalawang beses ko na ito.
This one's pretty strong because mommy said she didn't let anyone touch me when I was a baby.
Bili ako ng bamboo shoot guys, oh. Yan, oh. Gagawa ako ng soup. Lalagyan ko ng kwan.
Like,
Ng
I'd be super fast.
tofu na hard tofu. Ito. Ilalaga ko muna yung bamboo shoot, oh. Pakukuluan ko kasi kwan to eh, galing sa lata. Tatanggalin ko yung amoy. Yung halo ng kwan, oh. Soup natin, yung broth ng chicken, oh. Nagpakulo ako ng chicken. Yan. Ito is smooth tofu pala ito. Yan. Saka itong mushroom string, oh. Yan ang lalagay natin. Para masarap yung soup. Ito, at saka ito. Yan, oh. Yan. Onion leaves. Saka lagyan natin ng itlog. Masarap dyan. Lagyan natin ng yung sweet corn. Ito yung nakita ko sa fridge, guys, oh. Wala kaming sweet corn. Mixed vegetable na lang. Pero yan, oh, nakalagay, oh. Sabi niya, oh, para sa soup daw ito. Okay. Yan, kumulo na guys. Pwede na ito. Ayos. Tanggalin na natin yung tubig.
Guys, my dad is making soup.
Iwain na
While
natin
my
itong...
sister is making pancakes. And it's my mom's birthday. Yay! Right now, daddy's cutting off. And then, at the church is making pancakes. Onions.
Soup natin guys, oh, yung chicken broth, oh. Lagyan natin yung bamboo soup. Tingnan natin kung masarap yung recipe nun. Gagayahin ko lang eh. Ha? Gagayahin ko lang yung recipe niya. No? Itong mushroom stick. Mukhang marami yun, ha? Oh, parang masarap yung soup natin, ha? Gaya-gaya lang kami guys. Yan. Ito, halotin natin itong ano, tofu. Tignan natin kung anong kalalabasan.
Saka natin ilagay ito yung mixed vegetable, oh. Yan. Yan. Mukhang masarap ito guys. Tikman nyo itong soup ni Suporiman. Ha? Mayroon kaming bagong na-discovering masarap na soup. Oh. Tofu ang halo. Tofu, bamboo shoot, tsaka bamboo string. Ha? Mushroom string. Sarap niyan. Ito, lalagyan din natin ng durog na paminta para sumarap guys, oh. Pampaimas.
Ano kaya ang lasa nito guys? Pachamba ito. Ha? Parang noodle soup, oh. Pero kan siya, oh. Mushroom, tsaka bamboo spring. Ha? Look at that. Nagimas St. George. Sweet.
Check na natin guys. Yun, kumukulo na, oh. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Mukhang masarap itong noodle soup namin ni Mana. Hindi pala. Mushroom soup. Oh. Oh. Kitang-kita nyo naman guys. Soup ito. Panalo. The best ito. Ay, alam ko na. Lalagyan natin ng itlog guys. Parang sa Chinese restaurant. Ilalagyan nila ng itlog. Antay ito yung itlog. Okay. Yun. Yan. Tsaka natin durugin yung itlog guys. Ihalo natin. Ganito yung ginagawa nila sa restaurant. Oh. Mukhang masarap oh. Kitang-kita nyo naman guys. Oh. I think I need one more egg. Lalagyan natin ng konting onion para lumasa. Yung aroma ng onion Evan, lumasa sa soup. Yo, Nagima St. George. Panalo ang noodle soup ni Superman. Ay, mushroom soup pala. Tsaka bamboo string. Yun no, Nagima St. Yan, tikman na natin. I want to kiss birthday to mommy.
sugar. This has zero sugar. So
Yan, tikman na natin guys tong soup ni Superman no. Masarap ito. How's it?
Yummy.
Oh, yummy daw yung soup namin no.
You want the big
Wow.
bowl? Lala? Okay, I'll switch my bowl with yours.
Yan guys, tikman na natin tong soup natin no, kung panalo din. Wow. Nagimasan. Haba.
So what did you use in this one?
The best. Sarap.
What did you use for this one?
Mayroon kasi siyang kwan eh. Mushroom string,
The
bamboo shoot, saka
buttermilk
tofu.
pancake.
Nagima St. George.
Can I be closer pa na?
Mmm.
Can I have pancake?
Big one or small?
Haba. Umulit ako. Nagimas gayam. Pangalawang beses ko na ito.
This one's pretty strong because mommy said she didn't let anyone touch me when I was a baby.